Hey guys, what's up? Sorry about the little shaky camera. It's your boy Jonathan here. Today, service call was to put in new LED light fixtures, 4-footers. Alright. And they look spectacular now. These are built in, they're not serviceable type LED fixtures. They come with a pull chain. They're actually direct plug-in, but I made it so that I had to cut the plug and hardwire it. So now it's connected to the switch. I put the pull chains on the on position. I couldn't remove them. So I just, that's just how they're built. So here we go. You can see. They're pretty cool. Oh, I gotta take the plastic off. Oh no! There we go. There it is. Forgot to do that. But yeah. That's yep, that's it. So here are the old ones. These three. One of them was working. This one here had less rust. This one was working, but they wanted to remove them and replace them. You can see the tombstones are all warped out. What had happened was there was see this boiler right here, the steam heat, and I guess right here he told me this is where it happened. The hot water and steam came out here and it was all over the place. You can see it did a little bit of damage. They had to rewrap it with new insulation, but about a couple of months ago. But now the insulation's wearing out already. So yeah, that's what happened. We replaced them. Nice, bright LEDs. And here they are from Metalux. Home Depot special. Well, the 46-inch. So, yep. Anyways, guys, I gotta get going to the next service call. Hope you guys have a great day.